How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice little 70 Chevy Shortbox C10. Done a real slick Aztec Bronze. Truck had a complete frame up restoration. They did the steel cowl hood on it. See all the grill, the bumper, everything's new, been replaced. Truck's real straight, slick down the sides. Got the small sport mirrors on it, I like. Got your factory Chevy rallies. It's got the Suburban rear bumper, custom smooth tailgate. Looks like they did the older lights on it. Also did LED strip lighting instead of them big ugly square lights they have on these. It's got a good running little 350 in it. That old rock intake and carb. It's got your power disc brakes, got power steering. See, it's all painted and detailed nice under the hood. Got the heavy duty cooling system. Got a factory tilt steering column, which is pretty rare. Inside the cab all looks real good. Got a nice black cloth seat. It's got seat belts, all new carpet in it, all your sill plates. Fuel tank's been moved to the rear. You see the filler there in the bed, nice oak bed floor and stainless strips. It's all painted real nice inside the bed. Tell you, it's just a really nice little truck, guys. Got your trio of gauges under the dash. So all the jams and everything are really nice on the truck. Fires right up. Got a nice 2.5-inch dual exhaust and 350 turbo trans. I like the truck with the rallies and everything on it. Just looks just good looking, classy truck. The color on it's real good looking on it. It's different. Sounds good out the back. It's just a good looking truck, real slick, flat paint on the truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.